say there is a poor connection. I am trying to connect to the internet. To connect to the internet. ስለዚህ to connect ሳይሆን to connect to the internet. There is a poor connection today, bro. There is a poor connection today. I am trying to connect to the internet. I'm trying to connect to the network. I'm trying to connect to the network. So today we are going to learn pronunciation. Pronounce, እንዴት pronounce እንደምናደርግ እንማራለን. So you say connect, connect, connection, connection. All right, collect. እዚህ አልነበርክም. Yeah. I went to the bank to collect some money. I went to the bank and collect some money. I went to the bank to collect some money. ያ እዚህ አልነበርኩም. I went to the bank to collect some money. ባንክ ሄጄ የሆነ ገንዘብ ላመጣ ማለት ነው። ኮሌክት እዚህ ጋር ኮሌክት ናት መሰብሰብ ምናምን ማለት አይደለም። you go somewhere else and take something quickly ማለት ነው። ኮሌክት ማድረግ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ለምሳሌ አይዲ ያ go and collect your ID ትላላችሁ። አይዲ ከተዘጋጀ bro go and collect your ID. Go and collect your ID. Right? Go and collect your ID. በእኛ ኮንቴክስት ናሽናል አይዲ ያላወጣ ሂድና አውጣ ስትሉት go and collect ሂድና አምጣ ስትሉት go and collect your national ID. Go and collect your national ID. So you say collect, collection, connect, connection. All right, conduct. He's conducting a research. He's conducting a research. So you say conduct, conduct. ለምን ከዚህ አንጀምርም ዛሬ? We are practicing pronunciation. Pronunciation አይደለም ማለት ነው. It's pronunciation. Mind you, it's N-U-N, pronunciation. ስለዚህ ከዚህ ነው የምትጀምሩት ማለት ነው. Good. አንተ ልጅ ግን confuse እያደረከኝ. You are confusing me. Please do not confuse me. Please do not confuse me. So you say confuse, conduct, connect, collect. Okay. Let me add two more. Police. Police ሳይሆን police. Police ሳይሆን police. The policeman. Polite ሳይሆን ትሁት ነው ስትሉ he's polite. What a polite man he is. A polite man, ትሁት የሆነን ሰው polite. So polite, police. ስለዚህ ከዛሬ ጀምሮ ፖሊስ ሳይሆን ፖሊስ፣ ፖላይት ሳይሆን ፖላይት፣ ኮንፊውዝ ሳይሆን ኮንፊውዝ፣ ኮንዳክት ሳይሆን ኮንዳክት፣ ኮኔክት፣ ኮሌክት። ስለዚህ the condition is okay. If you are okay with the condition. The condition matters. The condition matters. It's a nice condition. Good. አሁን በዚሁ እስኪ ልጨምር. How do you read this one? You say communicate. That's the correct way. I'm trying to communicate. Good communication. Mu. ስለዚህ በዚሁ ለምን ሚዩ pronunciation practice አናደርግም? Communicate. Try to communicate well. Try to communicate. Try to communicate. He has good communication skill. Communicate. So you say education. Education. Education አይደለም by the way. Educationም አይደለም. Education. ይሄ ኢ እንደ ኤ ነው። ያው ይሄን like pen ይቺ ኢ ሳውንድ ኢ ሌተር ኤ ሳውንድ ነው ያለው። so pen ነው የምትሉት pen. Education. Human አይደለም, it's human. You say human resource. He's a human resource manager. Human. All right, community. Mu. Community. Jew. All right? So computer. Computer. Student. student tu pew computer student community human education communicate communication done እንደዚህ ያርጋችሁ ፕሮናንስ አርጉ ማለት ነው pronunciation እንቀጥላለን thank you this is Moorish English think English speak English